Hello, I'm Dr. Jack Tibbs, a licensed clinical nutritionist in the state of New York and a practitioner of naturopathy and clinical nutrition for over 28 years. I am so thrilled to be able to tell you about a special nutritional formula that has powerful ramifications for our health. In fact, it's one of the nutritional products that I do not ever like to miss a day taking myself personally. It just seems to be when I take this product called Alpha PXP that it enlivens my bodies, it enlivens my brain, and I'm ready to function for the day. We are in a global energy crisis. And I'm not talking about getting gasoline for cars. I'm talking about at the cellular level in the human body. Think about it. How many people do you know that are a ball of energy? I know the 2-year-old is driving you crazy, but most people that I talk to, particularly since I'm a consultant and I'm talking about health, across the board, people mention they don't have the energy. They're tired at the end of the day. They don't feel like they've got the energy to cope. Let me tell you something. Energy is everything. But nowadays, people are living in a state of reduced energy. This is very dangerous for our health because our immune systems need energy. Our bodies need energy to function. We can understand this, that wouldn't it be great if we could just plug ourselves in like a cell phone battery and charge up our energy and then head out into the world with a full charge. That's what PXP does for our cells. So let me explain why we're having this energy crisis today. One primary cause is environmental toxicity. The pesticides, the air pollution, the water pollution, the food pollution, the additives, the removal of nutrients that doesn't give our cells the nutrients they need. We are in a double whammy, triple whammy situation in life because we're accumulating and being exposed to toxins, environmental toxins. We have lower standards of nutrition, and we have a higher stress level of just trying to cope with life and everything we do. I've heard great researchers and doctors say all diseases start with a lack of ATP. We're living in a cellular energy crisis. We're watching diseases skyrocket across the globe. You know, diabetes is on the upswing. Alzheimer's is on the upswing. These are preventable diseases. And one of the major faculties that we have to have in order to prevent developing diseases, chronic degenerative diseases, autoimmune diseases, is ATP that's made by the mitochondria inside our cells from simple sugars called glucose and oxygen, and what's also called the citric acid cycle that prepares the molecules that uses an array of nutrients that are often missing in the modern diet. This is the energy crisis. Well, what would something do like PXP that would come along and actually help our cells make energy?